Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riri here, and I am bringing you a super simple set today. This video is going to be dedicated for those who are just beginning or simply those who love watching application videos. However, I did not speed this video up. It is left in real time. I did this because I remember as a beginner, I struggled a lot with understanding how fast you're supposed to move. And most videos on YouTube or even like on social media, most people speed their videos up. I do too, for timing purposes. But in real life, application process can be, I should say, a lot slower. As you can see, I left this video in real time and I am moving pretty slow in my opinion, and two reasons. One, because like I like to take my time and actually work on my application process, and you know, the neater it is, the smoother your application is, the less filing you have to do. Reason number two being that I struggle personally with shorter nails. I'm getting better, but I still struggle. These nails I would consider to be short, and so it's a struggle for me. I do, however, like to get these type of clients because I like to practice on perfecting my craft, you know. But I definitely left this in real time so that you guys can see how long it can take. And it's okay. It is okay. As long as you know, like, are super transparent to your client or whoever you're working on. Like, let them know I am a beginner. I am not as quick. You know, you're not going to get that chop shop, nail shop, like timing here. And I take my time because I want to perfect my craft. And application actually matters to me. You know, you can even explain to them, if my application is great, I won't have to spend as much time filing. Like, you know, people actually do appreciate like you explaining the process sometimes, just because like they don't really know. A lot of people, most people don't know the process and what it takes. Like, it just looks like, oh, you do this, you do that. So anyway, if you simply just want to like take your time and apply the acrylic, not super slow, but you know, just take your time and really like focus on application, I think that is like one of the best steps to perfecting your craft. So yeah, hopefully this video helps those who are also struggling with just really understanding the application process and how long it's supposed to take, the way that I did. And just know, like, you guys, it is okay. Like, you're gonna be slow at first, but you're gonna get better. You're gonna get quicker. You're gonna get faster. Eventually, you're gonna feel like, bro, like this takes way too long to set. And then you're gonna be doing things like warming up your monomer or adding some acetone to your monomer, just so that things set faster because you're that quick, you know. So give yourself grace, give yourself time, because it takes time to perfect your craft. It takes time to actually get things down pat to where you're just like a pro, you know. I still feel like I'm a beginner. It's been 2 years since I've done nails, or since I started doing nails, and I'm okay with that. I like getting clients who want short nails now, because I know it's something that I struggle with, but I know the more that I work on it, the better I'm going to get, the faster I'm going to get. And soon it's not going to be a struggle anymore. It's going to be like, oh, whatever. Like, I'm gonna get done. Like, it's already happening, honestly. Like, it used to take me, oh gosh, y'all, like maybe 4 hours to do a short set when I first started. Like, I was working on family members, by the way. These weren't clients, but like, it would take me 4 hours to do a short set like this length right here. And it was irritating because I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm so slow. But like, I did not give myself grace. And I also didn't understand there's a process, and there's a process that you have to go through with application, like the application process itself. But there's a process that you have to go through to grow. You know what I mean? Like, to get to that level of perfection or pro status, or so you have to give yourself grace. I didn't do that, and I wish I did, but now I do. And now I understand, like, one day I'm gonna get there. Like, I'm not there now, but I can see my growth from now than how I was 2 years ago, so I don't know. You guys just hang in there. Hopefully this video helps some people. If it does, just let me know in the comments. And if you guys want me to make more helpful videos, I will do that. I even left the bling part in real time because the process of doing nails is not quick. It's not quick. Like, let's be real. It's not quick. And I think a lot of people kind of like look at nails even like on videos and be like, okay, but you charge all of this money for like something that does not take that long. And then they're confused about like coming to sit down in your chair, and it's like, oh wow, I didn't expect it to take this long. Like, yeah, there's a process. It's not easy. It's not like, it's not 1, 2, 3, like how they have you in the nail shops. But those nails also don't last, okay? Those nails are also like, they cut corners. Let's just be real. They cut so many corners in the nail shop. But yeah, that's another story for another day. Anyway, I just hope that this video helps y'all. If it does, let me know in the comments. I'm going to let you guys finish the video. I hope you guys enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you want me to make more videos like explaining the process through. I know I post a lot of videos where I'm not talking, and that's only because I am super busy. Like, I'm a super busy person, and I wish I had more time to do that. And I'm going to try to do that more often. But if you guys have certain things that you want to see from me, I would definitely make videos and definitely make the time to like explain things through, if that helps you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you later. Enjoy.